Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Smart English Grammar Class. Today we will learn 3 more types of nouns in just 60 seconds. Collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. What is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a group of people, animals, or things. Examples: a team of players, a herd of cows, a bunch of flowers. Sentence example: the team won the match. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name of a feeling, quality, or idea that we cannot see or touch. Examples: honesty, love, happiness. Sentence example: honesty is the best policy. What is material noun? A material noun is the name of a substance or material. Examples: Goldwater wood. Sentence example: the ring is made of gold. Quick recap: collective equals group, abstract equals feeling, idea, material equals substance. Subscribe to learn all parts of speech step by step.